Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 29th of December 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the S&P 500 for the upcoming expiry on the 2nd of January 2026. So the max OI level for CE, open interest level, is 6,920 and the max for PE for puts is 6,900. Now usually this column would be filled in since we haven't made these videos in a while. From next week onwards, these will all be filled in. The quantity for this max quantity for the CE is 3,441 and the max quantity for the PE is 3,200. The short squeeze is higher for CE, which is positive, and the PCR is 2.73, which we don't have a comparison right now, so we'll keep it as neutral. Implied volatility is 7.72% and the historical volatility is 12.15%. And the RSI currently for S&P 500 is 66.14. There's no divergence, which is positive. The MACD is negative. The DMI is positive. ADX is 13.72, which is lower than last week. That's negative. ATR is on 163.61, which is positive. Both EMAs are positive. The pivot point is 6,805.51, and the candlestick is neutral. Overall, based on this analysis, although we don't have comparison points, we should expect the S&P 500 to go up. But that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.